Pim, good evening, everybody. Concerns about sovereign credit were pushed aside today, at least for U.S. stocks, managing to close out the day higher for the first time this week, as you said, Pim. The Dow Jones Industrial making up some ground after yesterday's 100-point slide. Now, we did have a couple of analyst upgrades and a report showing that inventories at U.S. wholesalers rose in October for the first time in more than a year, showing that companies are actually picking up the pace of orders. All this helping to give us a lift today. Now, let's talk about some individual names. 3M, for one, closing out the day higher for the biggest gain in the Dow Jones. The maker of Post-it notes upgraded to buy from hold at Citigroup. Target price of $92 a share in 2011. AK Steele, meantime, had the best return in the S&P today, saying it got a little bit of price control, actually, in this kind of market. It's planning to boost prices for its carbon steel products by $30 as demand grows. And by the way, gains for AK Steel helped boost the materials index as well, the best performer as far as groups today. Now, limiting gains, some energy stocks, gold, oil getting a drubbing again today. Oil moving $1.75 lower today, losing 6% for the week, actually over 7%. Government report today showing that U.S. fuel supplies climbed last week. Gold, meantime, dropping over 3.5% for the week so far. ExxonMobil shares falling for the sixth day in a row. You don't see that too often. Consumer discretionary stocks, meantime, were the biggest drags on the S&P today on a group basis. Now, as for the next couple of days, we have weekly jobless claims tomorrow. We have retail sales Friday. And as for tomorrow, I want to talk about a divorce that's being finalized this week. It was a rocky relationship, but now it's over. Of course, we're talking about AOL Time Warner. The spinoff of the once and maybe future internet darling has been completed, and its CEO Tim Armstrong is ringing the opening bell tomorrow here at the New York Stock Exchange, so definitely watch for that, Pim. Back over to you.
Thank you very much, Michele. Steele.